In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to use Filter in Yathit Mobile App. Filter is how you search records in a module by their field values. Let me go to the Opportunity module. You can find this filter button on a module record list panel. In the record list, the filter bar appears just below the app bar. The filter button is on the left, and ordering options are on the right. To start filtering, tap the filter icon button here. The filter panel will show up from the bottom, listing filterable fields. To filter on the field, tap on the field name. Depending on the field type, filtering UI are different. For the Assigned User field, we can tap on Me to filter opportunity records assigned to me. We got 12 opportunity records assigned to me. To clear the filter, tap the Reset button. Let us filter again by the Lead Source field. We can select multiple values of lead sources. Tap to select. To unselect, tap again. It's very easy and simple in the mobile app. Let us filter again by Expected Close Date field. You can pick the date on the calendar, like UI. It's very intuitive. Okay, this concludes our short session for filtering in Yathit Mobile App for SuiteCRM.